In order to get started with sToolTracker, you will need to choose the appropriate license and assign the users to the extension. To get started, open up the sToolTracker user management page. Select Register sToolTracker in the menu bar. Here you need to define the type of license, either standalone or partner. If you're a partner installing sToolTracker for a client, then you should choose partner, otherwise select standalone. Now you can add one or more users to sToolTracker. Just select the users from the drop down and you're done. If the user is not in the list, they will not be able to use sToolTracker. Each user counts towards your licenses of sToolTracker.